want you to think about this. Do we need to be biblical? Do we need to be Christ-like? Slavery is biblical. Chain breaking is biblical. But only one is Christ-like. Patriarchy is biblical. Countercultural elevation of women is biblical. But only one is Christ-like. Retributive violence is biblical. Grace-filled restoration is biblical. But only one is Christ-like. Segregation is biblical. Unity is biblical. But only one is Christ-like. Christ transforms, not the Bible. Be wary of those who know one, but not the other.